Hello, my name is Rynette Crichlow, and I'm one of the first female yard supervisors here at Orient Way. Our main responsibility here at Orient Way is the safe arrivals and departures of each train. I would say go through it. Don't make anything stop you from following your dreams or thinking that it's a male dominated profession, because things are changing. It's a very, very good job to get into.
My name is Blessing Akele. I'm one of the first yard supervisor in Orient Way. So I'll encourage every woman out there to apply for a railway job if they feel they want to go for it. Gone are the days where it's a men-dominated industry. A lot of women are giving it a shot now, like myself. So I encourage women to go for it because there's a work balance with the railway job these days. So I encourage them to join.